Book Talk has lied to me more times than I could count. So many overhyped books. But once in a while, internet gets it right. So in this video, I'll be recommending books that are worth the hype. Plus, they have some really good screen adaptations too. Hey everyone, this is Prashansa. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here to make reading books cool again. So here are some of my book recommendations that deserve all the hype that they're getting. First up is Daisy Jones and the Six by Taylor Jenkins Reid. Taylor Jenkins Reid has a very fun writing style. So when you're reading her book, it feels like you're watching a movie. It's just so much fun, so much interactive, so much engaging. So this book is written in a documentary style where we're following a fictional rock band which is not together anymore. It's like an interview style. There's so much drama. They're so messy. Characters are so selfish, talented, but eventually like very real human beings like all of us. And I got so obsessed with this book. So this band is not together anymore. So throughout the book there's a curious backdrop like why are they not together, and तुम हमेशा सोच रहे हो कि क्या हो गया बैंड को, and the dynamics between the band members and their personal life. It's also engaging. And I've also watched the show on Amazon Prime and it is so good. Highly recommend both the book and the show. Next is Lessons in Chemistry by Bonnie Garmus. So in this book, we follow a main character who's a female chemist in the 1960s. So she faces a lot of misogyny at her workplace, but she's a really good scientist and a chemist. So like eventually, because of some circumstances, she starts a cooking channel. And so it's very quirky because वो अपने cooking recipes इस तरह से बताती है, like very scientifically doing a lab experiment instead of cooking. तो उसको वो सब इक्वेशन समझ में आते हैं एंड हाउ लाइक एट व्हाट टेम्परेचर व्हाट रिएक्शन टेक्स प्लेस, तो वो उस तरह से कुकिंग कराना सिखाती है लोगों को, एंड दैट शो बिकम्स रियली पॉपुलर. That's what this show is about. Plus there is a cute doggo too. So next book is Normal People by Sally Rooney. So now this book, I know it's very controversial. People have very polarizing reviews. And for me also, when I read the book first time, मुझे भी समझ नहीं आया था कि ये बुक में क्या चल रहा है. Why is this book so popular? इतनी slow थी and characters इतने flawed थे. And then I watched the show which is on Hulu. एंड आई एम एम्बैरेस्ड टू एडमिट, मुझे शो देखने के बाद बुक बहुत ज़्यादा समझ में आई. So first of all, you need to understand that this is not a romance novel or a love story. You need to go into that mindset. Both the main characters are very flawed. They never seem to get their relationship quite right. And that's what this book is all about. It's about how our modern relationships look like. There's so many things get in the way. There's social class, financial backgrounds, so trauma, societal expectations, peer pressure, low self-esteem, self-sabotaging tendencies, mental health, how these two people are evolving, navigating their own lives while their dynamic with each other keeps changing, keeps growing. So it's like a very realistic story how modern relationships look like. How there's a lot of baggage that comes with a person when they are in a relationship. So you need to read the book with that perspective, and that will make the book so much better. Next is Housemaid by Frida McFadden. I think Frida McFadden is the modern queen of the thriller books. She always seemed to get it right. And I don't know वो इतनी सारी books कैसे निकालती रहती है and how all the books are really so good. ये book भी, this is such a good book. I will not spoil it for you. You just need to start reading it without reading any of the summary. And ये book ऐसी है that you know how you read a very good murder mystery book and kuch time baad you're just like going around, going with your work, like living your life, and suddenly तुम्हें याद आता है कि ओ वो book की ending कितनी crazy थी. And that is how this book is for me. And it has a very popular screen adaptation starring Amanda Seyfried and Sydney Sweeney. I didn't like the screen adaptation much, but people seem to like it, so you can watch that too. Next is A Good Girl's Guide to Murder by Holly Jackson. In this book, we follow our main character Pippa, who is a school student, and she decides to open a closed case for her school project, if you can imagine. So you need to go into this book knowing that this is a young adult book, so there are some unrealistic things happening. Book is also written in a very fun format क्योंकि इसका ये स्कूल प्रोजेक्ट है, so she's writing her project logs, तो वो उस फॉर्मेट में लिखा हुआ है, एंड देन शी इज़ ऑल्सो डूइंग अ पॉडकास्ट, तो उसकी ट्रांसक्रिप्ट भी है, एंड देन इंटरव्यूज़, एंड शी इज़ ऑल्सो मेंटेनिंग अ लिस्ट ऑफ पर्सन्स ऑफ इंटरेस्ट, तो बहुत लाइक फन एंगेजिंग फॉर्मेट है, एंड इट्स अ ट्रिलॉजी, सो देयर आर 3 बुक्स एंड ऑल ऑफ द 3 बुक्स आर रियली गुड। आप तीनों बुक्स बहुत फटाफट पढ़ोगे, एंड इट हैज़ अ गुड screen adaptation too. There are 2 seasons right now, and I just actually finished the second season and waiting for the third season to come. So these are my book recommendations that are worth the hype. And what do you think? Do you agree with the list? Have you read some of the books that are that were overhyped, underhyped, or appropriately hyped? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.